Hello, let's continue our Sudoku adventure with Chaos by Randall. So we have we have standard chaos construction rules. Chaos construction is not a very standard variant. In that chaos construction means there are regions, but I'm not telling you where they are. So let's go over that. In every row and every column, we are still placing the digits 1 to 6 exactly once each. And if you're familiar with a regular Sudoku, where there are like regions that have been drawn for you in bolded outline, like maybe like this, um, the digits 1 to 6 also can't repeat in those regions. This puzzle does have irregular regions in it, but you have to figure out where they are. So part of the puzzle is figuring out where those regions are. So you need to find all 6 regions that for the digits 1 to 6 that fit snugly within the grid, and you also need to fill all the digits. So how are we going to do that? Well, we have white circles and blue circles. So in white circles, all of the cells are all within the same region as each other. And then blue circles are have to be in exactly 3 unique regions. So I could draw a region like this, for example. I'm going to be coloring the regions different colors to sort of designate that. And I could draw a region like this, and I could draw a region like this. I don't know. This breaks some of the rules, but I'm not going to solve the puzzle in front of you as an example. But we could draw regions like this, and this green region is wholly within this white. I was just trying to get this blue to work. This blue touches exactly 3 regions. We have the purple is occupying 2 cells, the yellow and the green are 1 cell each. So we're going to be drawing regions like that. And then finally, for the digits, whatever the color is, it works the same. All of the cells, so these are these are sums, right? So all of the cells touching the quad, you sum them up and they sum to the value of the circle. So these 4 sum to 10, these 4 sum to 18, these sum to 11. There's not a non-repeat rule, but of course you still can't repeat in rows, columns, or regions. So keep that in mind. So those are the rules. I'm told it's actually not that hard. This is a nice intro puzzle to chaos constructions. Hopefully you trust me at this point that these puzzles aren't insanely difficult. They're generally approachable, especially if it's the first time we've done a constraint. So I hope you do give it a try. There's a link in the description, and I'm going to get started right now. Okay, so the first thing we can do is we can give a color to this region. And then we notice if we extended green into this region, it would have to take all 4 of these. And now green would be 8 in size, and each region is 6 in size. So this is a different region from green. And now this 10 clue has 2 purples in it, so these have to be 2 different colors. Let's use blue and yellow. Now blue has to, what we call get out, right? Blue has to extend, and there's only one way it can go until it reaches here. Now yellow has to get out. Yellow has now touched the 18, so it takes all of the 18. The 17 now needs 2 different colors here. This actually has to be purple, because purple has to get out. But purple's now not allowed to take this one, or the blue would be too few regions in it. So it goes up, and then now purple's done. And I'm going to outline in black any completed regions. And so now green has only one way to continue, which is like that, and it's done. So green is complete. I noticed blue needs to continue, so blue is complete. Yellow needs to extend, and actually there's only one place it can, because if it extends into here or here, it has to take a bunch more cells. So yellow can only go here, and it's done. This needs to be in a region of some kind. It's going to use all of these. Let's give it, let's just reuse green, because it's not going to touch that green. So it means this can't be green. So this is, let's reuse blue for this one. And so green needs to continue, and blue needs to continue. There we go. So these are our regions. It's nice that we were able to just draw them out right at the start before we do any digits. So I can clear the colors. I'll keep the colors, I think. I think it'll help designate where these regions are. So these sum to 18. The entire region sums to 21 because it has 1 through 6 in it. So 21 minus 18 is 3. So this has to be a 1-2 pair. This sums to 10, and there's 3 used already, so we need another 7. With we could use the 1 or 2 actually. Plenty of ways to add a 7. These outies are 10 though. That's only 4, 6. So we're either going to do 4, 3 or 6, 1. These sum to 10, so these sum to 11, which is only 5, 6. That puts 5, 6 down here. This is a 5, this is a 6. We have digits. This is 4, so that's 3. Okay, these sum to 9. So they're either 3, 6 or 4, 5. Okay, we have an 18 here, another 18 here. So this is another 1, 2 pair. Okay, these sum to either 7 or 8. So these need to sum to 2 or 3. So they definitely have a 1, and then they're 1, 2, or 3 there. This is a pair, 1, 2. So we have a 1, 2 pair here. 3, 4, 5, 6. So the 3 can't repeat here. So we need 3 in this column. Okay, so it's in one of these two. Sorry. I thought it was in one place. We need a 5 in this purple region. It can only go here. So this is also 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's not a 1 because the one's in the 11, or sorry, the one's in the 10 clue. Hold on, did I do the 10 clue? I think I might have done the math wrong. Yeah, well, these can't add to 2, right? I'm being silly. These have to add to 3. Sorry about that. 3 plus 6 is 9. I should have double checked that math. It felt wrong. But that resolves all these 1, 2s. This is 2, 4 pair. We know the order. This isn't 4, so that's not 5. And then this is a 1. We also have the 1, 2 here. This is 3 and 4. We know the order. These are finished. We have a 2, a 4. Okay, so we've got a triple here. Let's just fill the rest of the grid. So this triple, actually, I don't know. I can see this 1's out of here. So this is a 1. We needed a 1 in the column. Now this is a pair, 3 and 5, not resolved. This triple is 4, 5, 6. So the 3, 5 pair takes 5 out of here. So the 5 goes here. This is now a 3. That's not 3, so that's not 6. This is a pair, 4 and 6. You know the order. That makes that 5 and 4, 3 and 5. Nice, and we're finishing up here. And we need 3 and 6. They go like this, and we're done. Nice, only 5 minutes. So we were able to finish all the regions first, and then just solve the irregular with quadruples, which was nice. I'm sorry when I said the rules, I didn't notice this 9 here. It just touches 2 cells, but hopefully you figured that out. But yeah, cool puzzle. Thanks, Randall. Definitely the assurances that it's not hard for chaos construction were true. I think it's a good intro to various sort of the way you want to think about chaos construction puzzles. They're a lot of fun. They can also get very difficult. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this. And if you did, then why not leave a like, subscribe, and a kind comment below.